ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 66, ஸ்லோகா 9. விரகேஷ்வங்காரமயः ஸ்ருங்காரமயश्च சங்கமே हि त्वं நிதராமங்காரமயः தத்ர புனः சங்கமேபி சித்ரமிதம். Word by word meaning. Tvam, thou. Viraheshu, in separation. Angaramayaha, art burning charcoal itself. Sangame, in union. Shringaramayah cha hi, art, the very embodiment of love. Punaha tatra, further there, for the gopikas. Sangame api, in union also. Nitaram, absolutely. Angaramayaha, anga aramayaha, O dear one, thou didst give delight. Full meaning. In separation, thou art like burning charcoal, that is, separation from thee is unbearable. In union, thou art the very embodiment of love. But for the gopikas, in union also thou wert absolutely Angaramayaha, that is, thou didst delight them, O dear one. Note, there is a pun on the word Angaramayaha. The first Angaramaya is a single word meaning like burning charcoal. The second Angaramayaha is made up of Anga, dear one, and Aramayaha, didst delight. The poet says that for the Gopikas, Krishna was Angaramayaha both in separation and in union, the word being used in two different senses. This is one of the many instances of the poet's consummate skill in the handling of the Sanskrit language. Om Tat Sat.